In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Steam error 106 quickly and easily. This is a common issue that usually happens when Steam has trouble connecting to its servers, but don't worry, there's a simple fix that works for most people. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get back to gaming without any hassle. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, you want to completely close Steam. And I don't just mean clicking the X button, we need to fully shut it down. Press Ctrl, Shift and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. Once it opens, look through the list of running processes and find anything related to Steam. You'll usually see steam.exe. Click on it, then hit End Task. If you see multiple Steam processes, make sure to end all of them so nothing is left running in the background. Now that Steam is fully closed, the next step is to reset your network configuration. This helps fix connection issues that often cause error 106. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type cmd and press Enter. This will open the command prompt. In the command prompt window, type the following command, ipconfig /flush DNS, and then press Enter. This clears your DNS cache. After that, type another command, netsh Winsock reset, and press Enter again. This resets your network settings and can fix connectivity problems. Once you've run both of these commands, go ahead and restart your computer. This step is important because it ensures all the changes take effect properly. After your computer restarts, open Steam again like you normally would. In most cases, the error should now be gone and Steam should connect without any issues. If it worked for you, that's awesome. You're good to go. And that's it. A simple and effective way to fix Steam error 106. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.